Colombia is an amphibian paradise. Home to over 750 recorded species, new ones continue to be found. Dart frogs hop through the leaf litter in search of their next meal. Brightly coloured, they stand tall amongst the leaves. Unlike their tree canopy-dwelling cousins, these individuals have little to fear from predators. Their skin acts as a beacon, warning attackers to stay away. And with good reason. Dart frogs are some of the most poisonous vertebrates on Earth. And what's even more surprising is the source of their terrible toxin.